Let's say you're walking into a convenience store to pick yourself up an energy drink. You're walking up, you don't have any kind of face covering on, and then, unfortunately, you see one of these signs and you're wondering, oh my goodness, I can't go get my energy. What do I do? Well, it's simple. So you recently bought an air fryer and you have a box in your car. You're going to take the air fryer out. You'll make your own face covering. And you could see I did mine with my pocket knife, and I happen to have some saran wrap with me. And this is what you got. Let's take a look. This is the footage when I'm coming back to my car. I'm kind of disappointed, and I hadn't come up with my idea yet. I was just going to search around in my vehicle, and you can see the disgust on my face. I'm going to search around my vehicle to see what I can come up with. Boom! Here's my idea. Looking back, making sure the camera's in place. There's not going to be a face covering mandatory sign that's going to have any chance of stopping me now. Put my face covering on, stupid car gets in the way, and guess what? Big success, because you're going to see me here. You're going to see me here walking out with my face covering, homemade face covering, and I've got the energy drink in my hand. So I hope this helps you out when you're in a jam and you need a mandatory face covering.
Ryan here for Silly Reviews.